Mommy, can I have a drink, please?
Yeah, but try first with the cracker again. Put it in your mouth like you did before.
Yeah. Uh-huh. You don't like to share all of a sudden? You know, Mommy.
You want to give some back to Abba? What's back to Daddy? No. For Mommy? Thank you.
Two hands. How funny are you? Okay, here you go, Cracker.
What happened? What happened now, Ma?
You're like, that screw this, I'm gonna slap it out of his face.
Are you dancing?
Yeah.
Oh. Again? It was so cute how she went after you.
Put it in Abba's head.
Put it on Abba's head?
Okay.
Yeah. Oi! And when you're down, you're down. You're neither up nor down. Hi, what do you want? Crackers? You want crackers? Should I give you? I'll give you. See? Your father seems to be having more fun with your toy than you are. Come. Here. Now she's gonna go back to you. She's just too cute, this kid.
Come this way, silly.
She doesn't like to sit on the chair.
She's going to.
Okay, again.
She got that on her own.
She did. She likes to put it on your head.
Okay.
She's so cute. So early in the morning. Oh, she's so delicious. Oh, she's so cute.
Now, what are we going to give you real for dinner, my love?
I don't know. She had a good snack, and now we have to give her a dinner.
She didn't want to eat the avocado.
She didn't eat it?
She had a few spoons.
Oi.
I'm all here.
Okay, everyone. Bye-bye.